more breaking news that is coming in for our viewers. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal has tweeted that reads, and I quote, as per the directions of Honorable Prime Minister, Railways is fully geared up to run 300 Shramik special trains every day at a short notice since the last 6 days. I appeal to all the states to give permission to evacuate and bring back their stranded migrants so that we can get all of them back to their homes in the next 3 to 4 days. This is a part of the Shramik special trains that have been running on an everyday basis, and remember, as many as 300 trains that have already run so far, some 84 trains that are on its way, and more than 3.5 lakh migrants who have been ferried through these trains to take them back to their home states. And now this is the latest tweet coming in from Railway Minister Piyush Goyal, as he's urged all the states to give permission such that these migrants can be evacuated and brought back to their homes in the next 3 to 4 days itself. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, joining us on the phone line. Abhishek, the Railway Ministry that has been working very hard to ensure that these migrant labourers can be taken back to their home states, also social distancing that is maintained, and a lot that is going on in terms of testing them, then ensuring that they can be put on these trains, and then the trains reaching the home states, and how precautions are taken from there on. But primarily the Railway Minister saying that if there is increased cooperation from the states, then this exercise can be carried out in a better manner in the next 3 to 4 days. Abhishek, explain to us the details that go into this.
Well, Swesha, the reason why the Railway Minister has come out with these tweets is because it seems that capacity underutilization is happening at the level of states, because as the tweets suggest, the Railways is capable of now running 300 trains per day. But if you look at the number of trains that have run since May 1, when the entire exercise started to get the migrant labour back, just about 600 odd trains have run, mostly to UP, Bihar and Odisha, which means there are many states which have failed to really utilize the potential of railways in terms of getting those migrant labour back, Bengal being a classic example. So I think the Railway Minister is requesting the states, because the protocol is that the state which wants its migrant labour back has to write a letter to the Chairman Railway Board, as also the Chief Secretary of the concerned state from where the labour is to come back, and then the Railways gets a train pronto to that station where the state government facilitates, and the labour are brought back with whatever facilities the railway provides on boards, keeping in mind social distancing norms. So what the Railway Minister is suggesting is that the state governments can come up with more requests, and the Railways is fully capable with 300 train capacity per day to meet all the requirements in terms of transport of that labour, migrant labour, back to their home states.
Oh yes, so it is the centre and the Railway Ministry as well that is giving complete cooperation, but also the same that needs to be extended from every state. Abhishek, we have more reactions also coming to this effect. Let's listen in.
मुंबई से पश्चिम बंगाल जाने के लिए 7 ट्रेन की परमिशन पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार से मांगी गई है, किंतु एक भी परमिशन अभी तक प्राप्त नहीं हुई है। मैं आदरणीय ममता दीदी से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि वे तुरंत इसकी परमिशन दे। बड़े पैमाने पर मजदूरों को वहां पर जाना है, और मैं साथ साथ हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को और सभी नेताओं को भी निवेदन करता हूं कि वे भी प्रयास करें कि ममता दीदी की तरफ से ये परमिशन तुरंत मिले, ताकि मजदूरों को वहां जाने में सहूलियत हो और वे पैदल न जाए।